Welcome to our channel. Let's walk through the simple steps to access your DesignCrowd account smoothly every time. Welcome to our channel today. We will guide you through the step-by-step process to log into your DesignCrowd account. With ease, first open your preferred web browser and type www.designcrowd.com in the address bar. Once the home page loads, look for the sign-in button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on this button. To open the login page, now you will need to enter your registered email address into the first input field. Make sure you type the email associated with your DesignCrowd account carefully. Next, type your password in the password field, double-checking for accuracy to avoid login errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. After filling in both email and password, click on the Login button below the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your DesignCrowd dashboard and can start managing your projects and contests. If you want to stay logged in on your device, you can check the Remember Me option before hitting Login. For added security, do not use public or shared computers to access your account. If at any point you are unable to log in, ensure your internet connection is stable and clear your browser cache, or try using another browser. If you face continuous issues, reach out to DesignCrowd support through their help center or official contact options. That's the straightforward way to get into your DesignCrowd account and enjoy all its creative possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to keep updated with useful tutorials and tips for your design journey.